The ability to almost manifest something is what it feels like, is what keeps me going. To solve problems, to create physical objects, and to recreate with precision.
This is a really big facility. On site we make 4 different vehicles. Chris does our layouts for our site, was why we asked him to come on board. By hiring Chris, we've been able to keep our layouts on all the plant floor equipment up to date. The same skill set involved in AutoCAD is used in 3D modeling. We started 3D printing and we found out that there's lots of applications across the site. Without 3D printing, you're kind of at the mercy of what you can find online. Is there a tool for this? Can I order something like this? And so it's been really cool to use that same layout skill set that he has with the 3D modeling to create tools, create little parts that we want to make better for the cars. Just anything you can think of to try to make lives better for the nearly 5,000 people that work here. We've saved somewhere in the neighborhood of $500,000 just last year. I think this is only the beginning of the savings that we might be able to achieve.
I always had an interest in 3D printing. I didn't know a whole lot about it at all, but it's one of those things once you get your hands on and you see it happen, take something from your head and turn it into a physical entity that you can do something with, it feels magical. And it just opens your eyes, and once you realize you can create in that manner, the wheels start turning, the ideas start coming.
No matter what he's doing, whether he's doing layout work or whether he's doing 3D modeling, he never acts like he's too busy for that person. He never acts like he's bothered. It's always an appetite of gratitude, of just, oh, that sounds fun, let me help you. And it's a joy to work with people like that just genuinely want to serve their customers and do the best job that they can.
Chris is definitely an innovator and an entrepreneur. From day one, he was taking the initiative to go out and learn Revit, take additional classes, and then we found that he stumbled across their 3D printer on site that was gathering a little bit of dust and came out and asked, hey, can I use this? And what ended up happening is he started finding those opportunities. The client called on a regular basis talking about what he was doing out there, how he's making an impact, how he's making a change, that he's not just a contract employee, he's an extension of their staff. And everything he's doing is just adding so much value to their day-to-day activities. We're always judged on how our employees perform and how they're perceived by our clients. And his perception with the client has been better than anyone I've ever seen at this company. When we first heard about him leading into the 3D innovations, we've been waiting for the opportunity to nominate him. And finding out he got it and he's getting recognized for it is just amazing to us.